For this Reuben braid, we are going to need pizza crust. I'm just going to use store-bought. Okay, now this is pretty big and it will not fit into our air fryer. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it in half. But right now, I'm just going to put this one to the side. I'm going to go ahead and add our Thousand Island dressing down the middle. We're just going to go ahead and add our Reuben meat. It looks pretty good. Okay, now we're going to add our sauerkraut. Make sure you drain it as best as you can. We don't want this to be soggy. I'm going to go ahead and add a layer. Now we're going to add Swiss cheese on top of that. Now I'm cutting about 1/2-inch strips. Now we're going to start a little braid. We're just going to do crisscross like we're braiding. Okay, now we're going to take some melted butter and brush it over the top. And I'm going to sprinkle some caraway seed on the top of this to kind of mimic that rye bread taste. Now this is going to be interesting. Will it be too big? It could very well be, but we're going to make it work. Pop this in. It is a little too long. Should have made sure this was going to fit into my basket. So when you go to do this, make sure, if you need to, trim up your pizza dough to fit this in the bottom of your basket. But I think we're going to be okay. I'm going to make it okay. One other thing I forgot to do, I wanted to spray my basket with oil just to make sure that this does not stick. So I guess this is going to be another little experiment to see if it sticks or not. I'm going to start out 400 degrees for 5 minutes and then we'll check it and go from there. Okay, our 5 minutes is up. Let's take a peek. That's looking pretty good. I think once we lay this down, it will go flat. So we're all good there, I think. I'm going to let this go a couple more minutes to get a little bit more brown. So 400, 2 more minutes. 2 minutes is up. Perfect. Let's go ahead and plate this up. Okay, I'm not going to lie, I was nervous on this one. It did not stick to the basket. It was a little challenging though to take it out. I pressed down this side that was like this in the air fryer, so that's a little wonky. I don't care. So again, just make sure you cut your dough short enough to fit inside your basket. Yum. Tastes just like a Reuben. Okay, so we did 400 degrees for 7 minutes. Honestly, I would add 1 to 2 more minutes to the cooking time because the end piece was just, and I mean just a little doughy. So I would add like 8 to 9 minute total cooking time. Other than that, this is absolutely delicious. I hope you all found this video helpful. I would like to thank my new and old subscribers very much. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you soon.